Just wanted to show you guys what the stock halogen bulb look like. You guys already know what the output of it looks like, so I'm not gonna really go over that. But I did disable the low beam, that way you can kind of see just the halogen high beams. So we're gonna go ahead and swap it out with the new one. Good evening, everyone. Our friends from Rimthin sent me this 9005 LED bulb for my 2014 Honda Odyssey. This is a 16,000 lumen aluminum heatsink, so it's going to dissipate heat pretty good. It's a 6000K white color. It does have a 50,000 hours of use, 1-year warranty from the manufacturer. This is a 60 watt, so it's going to be very nice and bright. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the video of the stock halogen. You guys already know what that looks like. So what I'm going to do is delete or disable my low beam, so it's only going to be the high beam that's on, and then install this and then show you what that looks like after it's installed. Just wanted to showcase the LED bulb. Pretty awesome setup right here. If I recall, you can adjust this by this via screw, but I don't think you can. That way you can kind of twist this however you want. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. That way you can kind of see how it is outside the box. It does come with the user manual, which in this case we don't really need. If you do have any issues with it, you can contact Rimthin and they will give you a pretty good customer service, just like how they did me. So we're going to go ahead and swap out the bulbs from my stock one and then test it out. Before you take off the stock one, as you can see, this has a tab right here. So go ahead and just take that off first, and then you're going to twist the bulb counterclockwise and it'll come out. We've got the stock bulb pretty much removed. So just to kind of compare it real quick, that's the stock, that's the new LED setup. Got a little fan in the back. So go ahead and insert it first and then plug it in afterwards. The passenger side is kind of a pain. I did have to squeeze my hand right in between the reservoir coolant and to that area right there. Kind of hard to see it. See if I can get my light in there real quick. To that spot right there, I went ahead and unplugged it and then twisted the stock halogen out, but kind of a pain being that the coolant was there. You also can remove the coolant reservoir tank. That'll make it a little bit easier, but in this case I just went ahead and did it while it was still in there. So that's something to consider. We both got the halogens out. We've got the new LED pretty much mounted in there, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out now. Well, the install is complete, and I can tell you that these aftermarket ones are pretty bright. Both of them work really well. Definitely a great upgrade, so go out, check out Rimthin and then give him a try. Like I said, I give it a thumbs up. So this one's done. Now my low beams are a little bit less output. So as you can see, it's a little bit on the bluish side, which is 8K. The Rimthin is a 6000 K, so it's a little bit more white. But just to show you real quick the difference, I do have upgraded LEDs as well on my turn signal, so shining through my turds. And this install is done.